Do you have a dirty yoga mat? That's nasty. According to Ostra.com, one yoga mat can have over 100,000 skin-infecting bacteria per square cubic centimeter. That's a lot. That's a lot, especially if you have a regular-sized yoga mat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your mat from this to that using one major key ingredient, baking soda. So continue to watch if you want to stop being Hilda, and I've been practicing yoga for 6 years. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your yoga mat without using chemicals and how to fold and put it away so it can last longer and you can preserve your mat. If you're ready to have a clean mat and a great practice, keep watching this. So I like to start off with filtered water, it's tea tree oil, and of course the baking soda. I put 3 to 4 dropper worth, like entire droppers worth of tea tree oil in there, because tea tree oil is one of my favorite oils to clean with. It doesn't leave an oily residue and it helps fight bacteria. It's almost like a natural alcohol, if you will. And then baking soda, which also helps fight bacteria and odor if you have that problem, because these mats absorb everything. I put a good amount of baking soda. I don't really measure, but a lot really. And of course afterwards I'm gonna mix it in with a spoon. First we have my rose quartz marbled mat. This is the 5mm thick mat from Lululemon, the reversible mat. The regular size, I didn't get big because I'm only 5'7". All of Lululemon's mats are made from an antimicrobial additive, so that also helps with preventing mold and mildew on the mat. This is my second mat, the Onyx. This is my OG mat. I got this first. I use it for outdoor yoga, that's why it looks disgusting. I'm just really rubbing it in. I go over it like a bunch of times, that's why I'm speeding through this. And then I hang it up to dry, and while I hang it up, I wipe down the back, which is like the non-sticky side. Yeah, because these yoga studios are gross, and obviously my outdoor mat's gonna be gross because I do it outdoors. This is what the water looks like afterwards, which is just disgusting if you ask me. And here I'm gonna show you how I fold my yoga mat to make it last longer or stay cleaner longer, especially my outdoor mat. First I fold it in half, like so, like that. And then my mat's been doing this a long time, so it obviously stayed flat, but if you have a new mat, you're gonna really have to hold it down to get it to fold like that. And then once you get it to fold, you just, you know, do the rest, do what you gotta do. Pretty quick, pretty easy. I like folding it in half because it's less work than folding the whole mat anyways, but also I don't know why I would want to put, like, roll it so the outside of my mat touches the inside of my mat. Like, that's disgusting to me. And I got these straps from Lululemon as well. They double as like a carry-in strap and a stretching strap. So there you go. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.